David Green from Green & Phillips joining us once again this morning on Studio 10. Always good to see you, David.
Glad to be here.
All right, car accidents, there's so many of them, always claims popping up, injuries, things like that. But one of those things that happens too is financial pressure. What are some of the financial pressures that people face after a car accident?
Well, we just had a situation this morning where I was talking to a client about, how much longer is it going to take us to get our money? How much, had the accident, I've been treated, how long does it take? In our office, it takes from 30, 60 to 90 days to get your money, typically. But people always, if they're involved in the accident, they can't work, they're missing work, they're losing money. And that creates a real problem for folks. And really, there are many things that can be done, but a lawyer really needs to get involved so they can help guide you through those processes and possibly get you back to work sooner and get your money back. Yeah,
and one of the questions they're going to have is, if the accident is someone else's fault, what costs are they responsible for?
Well, that's exactly right. They're going to have to pay your medical bills, they're going to have to pay your pain and suffering, your inconvenience, any future problems that you may have, and those valuable lost wages.
All right, so what can someone do about these financial pressures? All these things start happening at once. What are their options?
Well, their options are to go at it themselves or to get a law firm involved. If you get a law firm involved that handles personal injury or car wreck cases, that law firm is going to be able to guide you through the process of getting your medical bills paid and getting you paid.
Now, what if you don't have health insurance and are afraid about not being able to pay those medical bills? I know a lot of people would be concerned about that.
Well, that's right. There are processes out there in place that law firms have. We can actually get you medical care by the doctors on what's called a letter of protection or a promise to pay, and boy, that's valuable.
Now, this happened to someone I know recently. What if the insurance company is not providing you enough money to fully fix your car or replace your car?
Well, that's another problem, and that's typically that happens. Insurance companies like to pay you as least amount of money as they can. Their job is to take in premium payments and pay the least amount as possible. A lawyer can add value to your case. He can help make sure you maximize the value of your property damage as well as your personal injury.
All right, when and what should you say to the insurance company concerning your property damage case or your personal injury case?
We always advise people, do not have a conversation with those folks. They're trying to beat you. They're good people. They're just doing their job. But you really need to talk to a lawyer first. It's never a good idea to talk to an insurance company without having talked to a lawyer first.
There are a lot of financial pressures that come along with being in a car accident, and David and his friends at Green & Phillips can help you out. We have all their contact information on our Studio 10 webpage. Thanks a lot, David.
Thank you.